Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally Gold. Tally Gold is a comprehensive accounting software designed to streamline your business operations. It helps you manage financial transactions, inventory, and statutory compliance with ease. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced reporting, ensuring you gain a solid understanding of its capabilities. This guide will provide practical steps for efficient financial management. Once you launch Tally Gold, the gateway of Tally is your central hub. From here, you can create a new company or select an existing one. Navigate to Masters to create ledgers for all your accounts, such as cash, bank, and expenses. Then, use Transactions to record daily entries like sales, purchases, payments, and receipts, ensuring accurate financial tracking. Effective inventory management is crucial for any business. Tally Gold allows you to define stock items, groups, and units of measure, helping you track your goods precisely. Beyond inventory, the software generates vital financial reports. You can view your balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and trial balance, providing clear insights into your business's financial health and performance at any given time. Tally Gold offers advanced functionalities such as payroll processing, multi-currency support, and cost centers. Exploring these can further enhance your operational efficiency. Always remember to back up your data regularly to prevent any loss. Maintaining data accuracy is paramount for reliable financial reporting and informed decision-making. Consistent practice will make you proficient in using this powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.